What is a gutter guard? Hello there, my name is Angelo, and I am the training coordinator here at the Brothers That Just Do Gutters. And today, we're talking about gutter guards. Gutter guards are often the best and most practical option to keeping your gutters clean. Here, in my hand, we have an example of a great gutter guard that we install here called OneGuard. We're not sponsored by OneGuard, but they are a very good gutter guard. What do these things actually do? Gutter guards are installed on top of your gutters and allow water to go through them into your gutters, making sure that gutters are doing exactly what they should do, which is bringing water away from your home. To answer the question, you might be thinking, no, not every home will need gutter guard. Gutter guards are meant to protect from debris, large and small, from clogging up your gutters. So if you live in an area where there is small to zero chance of debris getting in your gutters, you should be perfectly fine just with your gutters as they are. Some examples of debris that gutter guards protect from are leaves, including pine needles, helicopter pods, flowers, and more. Debris such as shingle grit, lichen, shade-borne growth, small animals like snakes, squirrels, birds, and more, and other pests like mosquitoes, spiders, and other insects. Gutter guards are often the best and most practical option to keeping your gutters clean. Leaf protection is important in maintaining a system that continues to work properly by preventing clogs. Gutter guard installation also significantly decreases the maintenance required on your gutter system. With the correct guard in place, it will eliminate most interior gutter cleanings. Maintaining them without a guard requires cleaning both your gutters and downspouts at least twice a year. Frequent cleanings will allow your entire system to handle its highest capacity of rainfall. This also reduces the risk of overflow, rotted fascia, mildew, deterioration of foundation, landscape erosion, and other damage to your property. However, gutter cleanings need to be done at the correct time and season and repeated more frequently in certain areas. Clients are often concerned by the initial cost of gutter guards. Unless you clean your gutters yourself, the minimum maintenance cost of cleanings can often be much higher within just 2 or 3 years. On top of having leafless gutters, gutter guards can also provide an added strength during the winter. The weight of snow, ice, branches, and late falling leaves can loosen your system from the home or tear it down completely. This added strength that gutter guards provide can reduce the risk of needing an entirely new gutter system after a rough winter. Again, this is Angelo with the Brothers That Just Do Gutters, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.